Hello and welcome to another episode of CUET General Knowledge. Let's begin. The third woman to win the Nobel Prize in Chemistry was Marie Curie, Dorothy Crowfoot Hodgkin, Rosalind Franklin, or Ada Lovelace. The correct answer is option B, Dorothy Crowfoot Hodgkin. Dorothy Hodgkin was the third woman to receive the Nobel Prize in Chemistry after Marie Curie in 1911 and Irene Joliot-Curie 1935. Next, the Hubble Space Telescope was launched in which year? 1990, 1995, 2000 or 2005? The correct answer is option A, 1990. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched in 1990 and has provided some of the most detailed images of distant galaxies. Next, the D-Day invasion of World War II occurred in which year? 1942, 1943, 1944 or 1945? The correct answer is option C, 1944. The D-Day invasion, also known as Operation Overlord, took place on 6th June 1944 when Allied forces invaded Normandy, France during World War II. Next, the concept of geocentric universe was proposed by Galileo Galilei, Claudius Ptolemy, Johannes Kepler, Copernicus. The correct answer is option B, Claudius Ptolemy. The geocentric model, where the Earth is at the center of the universe, was proposed by the Greek astronomer Claudius Ptolemy. Next, the Enigma machine was used during which war? World War I, World War II, Korean War or Vietnam War? The correct answer is option B, World War II. The Enigma machine was a cipher device used by Nazi Germany during World War II to encrypt military communications. Next, who discovered the law of universal gravitation? Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Galileo Galilei or Johannes Kepler? The correct answer is option B, Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton discovered the law of universal gravitation, which states that every particle of matter attracts every other particle with a force that is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Next, the Chichen Itza is an ancient Mayan city located in which country? Guatemala, Mexico, Belize or Honduras? The correct answer is option B, Mexico. Chichen Itza is a major archaeological site located in Mexico known for its pyramids and other ancient structures. Next, the Great Fire of London occurred in which year? 1666, 1700, 1776 or 1800? The correct answer is option A, 1666. The Great Fire of London broke out in 1666 and destroyed much of the city. Next, the Challenger disaster took place in which year? 1981, 1983, 1986 or 1990? The correct answer is option C, 1986. The Challenger disaster occurred on 28th January 1986 when the Space Shuttle Challenger exploded shortly after takeoff, killing all 7 crew members. Next, the Battle of Thermopylae was fought between which two empires? Athens and Sparta, Persia and Greece, Rome and Carthage or Greece and Macedonia? The correct answer is option B, Persia and Greece. The Battle of Thermopylae in 480 BCE was fought between the Persian Empire and a small Greek force led by Sparta. Now it's time for the practice question. The Prohibition era in the United States lasted from 1920 to 1933, 1910 to 1920, 1930 to 1940 or 1940 to 1950? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.